Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Orange color, red color, purple color, green color, blue color, pink color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon and square. Now let's draw the shapes. Triangle. Next, circle. Next kids, heart. Next kids, star. Next kids, pentagon. Next, square. Now we're going to put the color. Pink color, triangle. Next, blue color, circle. Next, red color, heart. Next kids, orange color, star. Next, green color, pentagon. Next kids, purple color, square. What we learn? We learn pink color, triangle, blue color, circle, red color, heart, orange color, star, green color, pentagon, purple color, square. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.